Assalamualaikum and good evening. We are from Team 5 and my team is consist of Mr. Afeef, myself as Naqiyyudin, Mr. Muhammad Andi and Mr. Muhammad Fajar. And we're going to explain about turbidity. So in our daily lives, we've been shown the effect of forest fire and volcanic eruption. The haziness caused by smokes and fine particles are the cause of turbidity in air. The turbidity in air can also be observed in water, in which high turbidity in water is a key indicator of low water quality. Thus, this briefing will shortly explain the term turbidity, its cause, how it will be measured, and its effect to the environment. So what is turbidity? It is a measure of water clarity. So the murkier the water, the higher the turbidity. Turbidity reduces the transmission of light into water, thus it increases as a result of suspended solids in the water. So the cause of turbidity is mainly erosion. Erosion increases the amount of sediment or soil particles in water. This increased sediment influences turbidity. Thus, very turbid water appears murky or cloudy. All natural waters are somewhat turbid, even if only at microscopic levels.
So how turbidity is measured? Turbidity can be measured using either electronic turbidity meter or turbidity tube. Turbidity is usually measured in NTU or GTLG. Depending on the method used for measurement, the two units are roughly equal. So what is turbidity meters? Is an instrument for measuring turbidity of water or other fluid. It's called turbidity meter. Advantageous is very accurate, useful for measuring very low turbidities, less than 5 TU. Disadvantages, very high cost, needs power supply, main or battery, and easily damaged. So types of turbidity meter, there are 3: benchtop, portable, and online instruments.
What are the measuring principles of turbidimeter? Number 1. Surface light scattering method. The sample is sent to the measurement chamber and light is radiated to the surface of the liquid being measured. The light scattered from that surface is used to measure the turbidity. Number 2. Light scattering or transmission method. Light is radiated to the sample cell. The scattered light resulting from the suspended substance in the sample and the light which passed through the sample are measured. Number 3. Light scattering method. Light is radiated to the sample cell. The radiated light is attenuated by the suspended substance in the sample. The transmitted light attenuates according to the amount of the suspended substance and is used to measure the turbidity. Number 4. Integrating sphere method. Parallel beams are radiated to the cell. The light scattered with the suspended substance is focused with an increasing sphere. The ratio between the scattered light and the transmitted light is used to measure the turbidity. The effects to environment. So number 1, increase the water temperature. Number 2, decrease in the of oxygen. Number 3, it can harm fish and other aquatic life by reducing food supplies, degrading spawning beds, and affecting gill function. Number 4, or last, block sunlight for photosynthesis. So the effects to human. Number 1, suspended solid can harbor harmful bacteria and can also decrease the effectiveness of chlorination used to help remove those harmful bacteria. Number 2, there are economics impact as well. The production of the following everyday product requires that the water be free of sediment and other suspended solids.
This is a conclusion to the topic. High turbidity can cause water to be colloidal, so it reduces transmission of light. Erosion causes turbidity as it increases the amount of soil particles in water. Turbidity can be measured by either an electronic turbidity meter or a turbidity tube. For a turbidity meter, measuring it has 4 principles, which are surface light scattering method, light scattering or transmission method, light scattering, and integrating sphere method. Turbidity also can have a harmful effect on environment in several things. For example, increase temperature, decrease in dissolved oxygen, and can be harm in aquatic life. Thank you very much for your attention.